thousands of kilometers from any continent, a tiny island hides one of history's greatest mysteries. Nearly 900 giant Moai statues stand across Easter Island, some weighing more than 80 tons. They were carved from volcanic rock, long before cranes, trucks or modern machines existed. But here's the mystery. How were these stone giants moved across the island? Modern experiments suggest they may have been moved upright, using ropes to slowly rock them forward, almost as if they were walking. Even today, the Moai remain one of archaeology's greatest mysteries.